My name is Greg Lapointe. I am the director of the Center for Natural Law here in Denver, Colorado. I am here today to comment on the recent matter of Masterpiece Bakery and the discrimination complaint filed against this bakery. It is our opinion that based upon violations of the natural law and because of the errors of reductionism made by the presiding judge, Robert Spence, that Masterpiece Bakery and the owner, Jack Phillips, along with his employees and family, have wrongfully suffered damage and harm as well as loss of reputation as a result of this discrimination complaint. The points I'd like to make in defense of Masterpiece Bakery and Jack Phillips are as follows. 1. It is common knowledge that the timeless human tradition and practice of marriage as being between a man and a woman is not just a religious position or doctrine. It is a conclusion of the natural law itself. This marriage and family, as the basic unit of society, is established by the use of reason and logic. The natural law recognizes that marriage is inextricably based upon gender complementarity for the purposes of procreation as well as its unitive function, which is obviated by observable evidence. To undermine this essential human institution is to do damage to a broad range of interdependent human systems and social structure. 2. All human law must rest upon the irreplaceable foundation of the natural law. When human law conflicts with the natural law, it is human law which is fallacious, and such law is considered null and void. Jack Phillips has not just the right, but the moral obligation to conform his decisions to what is consistent with the natural law, as we all do. 3. It is morally wrong for any person or enterprise to contribute to, or to promote, or to provide for the means or materials used directly or indirectly that supports activities or behaviors that are contrary to the natural law. 4. It is clearly stated in the court documents that the bakery products displayed at this establishment were for sale, offered and available for purchase by all patrons. No one was denied the opportunity to purchase the baked goods on hand. If a moral condition or factor is introduced into the product selection by a patron, then the owner of the establishment has a right and duty to follow his moral conscience when that moral condition changes the very character of the product or transaction. In conclusion, on behalf of the Center for Natural Law, we stand in support of all persons of good conscience and purpose, whatever religious belief a person might hold, or whatever opinions there are, or whatever the social dogma a person adheres to. If that person is in pursuit of what is true and what is right, we are in support of them. I am referring to all persons involved in this matter. It is our hope that likewise all persons can extend this same respect to other people, even to those who may disapprove of some aspect of your life. Furthermore, this case is troubling in that this man should not have to undergo this turmoil or prosecution because of something as minor, or should I say as petty, as the purchase of a cake. There appears to have been numerous options or otherwise prudential decisions that should have been employed before this incident occurred. At the very least, acting naively bears some responsibility, and at worst is tantamount to the provocation of the very event that was then claimed to have been the cause of the discrimination. Lastly, all human laws must be based upon the natural law, or else they are null and void, including administrative decisions. In certain circumstances, the natural law may require civil disobedience to an invalid human law or decision, especially when there has been a dereliction of judicial responsibility in upholding the natural law.